Tandoori chicken is delicious, but here's the catch. Traditional tandoori is often high in calories. The marinade is loaded with oil and cuts like legs and thighs naturally carry more fat. So today we are making a leaner and high protein version using chicken breast, the leanest cut of chicken. And the best part, no tandoor, no oven needed. Usually I thinly slice chicken breast for faster cooking, but with tandoori marinade it is so tasty that I just make small cuts so the flavor can reach deep inside. Here we are using just half tablespoon of mustard oil, enough to bind the spices and keep it lean. Plus mustard oil gives that authentic North Indian tandoori taste. Coat the chicken well and let it marinate for at least an hour. Brush your pan with a little mustard oil. Once it's super hot, place the chicken and sear for 90 seconds each side. After that, add a splash of water, cover the pan and let it steam for 3 minutes. Make sure the water doesn't dry out completely while steaming. If it does, just add a little more. Steam keeps the chicken juicy while still giving it that smoky grilled texture. Always let your chicken rest for 5 minutes before cutting, that way the juices stay locked in. And there you have it, a lean protein-packed tandoori chicken breast, all the flavor of tandoori without the extra calories. Look how moist, tender and juicy it is. But I'm not stopping here. I want to show you how to actually build better meals using this hack. I pair this lean tandoori chicken with meals that lack in protein and instantly make them balanced. Add it to pasta for a high protein twist or roll it into a lettuce wrap for a light low carb option. Top it on your favorite rice and curry for a complete meal. This is more than just a recipe. It is about building meals that fuel your fitness journey. If you want to eat better without giving up taste, join me here at Achin's Fit Kitchen, subscribe and let's build this fit food community together.